So, hi there everybody. Right now I try to understand how our blockchain works. It uses proof of work system, also some blocks, also chains, and peer-to-peer things. And also it uses specific language. No, it uses hash and also previous hash of the block, of the previous block, and also data is written on each of the blocks. It is what I learned about blockchain and how to work cryptocurrency it will have, and also I remember that some blocks were two. How much of blocks? I think that there were 20 blocks of them, and also proof of work means that to unlock each of them need to invest 10 minutes. 10 minutes on one, 10 minutes on another, 10 minutes on another, and while you do this, somebody will suspect someone what are you doing, and you should recollect them each to each. I think so. It is my guessing. It is what I learned. I think so, yes. Thank you a lot for watching this. Have a good day.